Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact access you were granted and why you need it. That matters for permissions. Once done, connect through the approved VPN on a hardened device and install any pending updates to avoid session blocks. Next, use your organization account credentials and complete multi-factor authentication with your authenticator or backup codes. Make sure to keep an ID ready for secondary verification. This reduces delays and prevents the system from locking your session. You will now enter the dashboard and choose the correct jurisdiction so records route properly. This prevents misapplied actions. Once inside, map reported cases to Enforcement ID and upload supporting documentation in the required formats. While you do that, set role-based permissions and enable audit logging to capture every change. Make sure to validate data integrity by cross-checking a sample of entries. This avoids cascading errors and ensures that enforcement actions target the right individuals. You finish by reviewing each entry and confirming the enforcement actions. This final check prevents misapplication. After submission, record the audit reference and export logs for your records, then notify stakeholders with timestamps so everyone tracks progress. Once the system completes actions, log out of the session and revoke temporary access if used. If something fails, clear your cache, reconnect the VPN, re-authenticate, and try again. If it still fails, contact support with the audit reference for expedited.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.